intelligent socket with overload protection. Well, according to the picture they drew there, it looks like maybe 1, 2, 3 regular style plugs and maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 USB style plugs. Parameters. Oh, there they are. 5 volts, 2.5 amp USBs. Three of those. They got 1, 2. Wait, what is this now? USB outputs 5 volts, 2.5 amps each port, 3 amps total. USB output 5 volts, DC 2 max. Interesting. Made in China. Got instructions. One-sided instructions. Features, product show. Well, we got a product show going on here, alright. Power switch. Ooh, it's got a power switch. Off and reset. Interesting. That's kind of cool, though, the fact that they did that. At least they didn't mess with you and put one of these the opposite way. That could be fun. Model ZN3AU4. Sorry, 4U. High-speed, intelligent, 4 USB ports, 2.4 amps max. Fast-charging tablets and phones simultaneously. You don't have to worry about the outlet distribution. For the maximum speed will be automatically varied according to the charging device. The socket outlet supports US standard plugs. The socket supports high-powered electrical devices such as induction cookers, refrigerators, and air conditioners, etc. Oh, I'll plug my air conditioner into that. Has anti-surge overload protection, safer and more durable, better conductivity with thermal performance to ensure inner copper conductor. What? I didn't read that right. I got a glare going on, sorry. Better conductive and thermal performance are ensured by inner copper conductors. How about that? What do we got here for a cord? Cord feels stout. What's the cord say? Cord's got to have something on it. Cord says U-Bill ETLUS, bunch of numbers, SVT, 3 by 18 AWG, 105 Celsius, 3000 or 300 volts, VW1. Pretty stout cord. That part feels janky as shit. Can stretch it out almost as long as my arms reach. So if you need something that can stretch as long as my arms can reach, this might be for you. I know it's very specific, but what are you going to do in life? KINFAYV. I'm sure how you say that. KINFAYV? Sure. Get them while they're hot.